Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread halwa, a popular Madras Samayal sweet. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 to 10 slices of white bread with the crusts removed. For the syrup, have 1.5 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water ready. Also, prepare half a cup of ghee or oil for frying, a 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of cardamom powder, and your favorite nuts like cashews or almonds. Now, let's prepare the bread. Take each slice and cut it into 9 small, even pieces. Next, heat about half a cup of ghee or oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Carefully add the bread pieces and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become crisp. Once fried, remove them from the pan, drain any excess oil, and set them aside on a plate lined with paper towels. With the bread ready, it's time to make the sugar syrup. In a separate pan, combine 1.5 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Continue to cook the syrup until it reaches a one-string consistency. This means a single thread forms when you touch the syrup between your thumb and forefinger. Finally, stir in a pinch of fragrant cardamom powder. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. Gently add the fried bread pieces into the hot sugar syrup. Pour in a 1/4 cup of milk and mix everything carefully, ensuring the bread soaks up the syrup. Continue to cook on low heat, stirring occasionally, until the mixture thickens and the bread has absorbed most of the liquid. Garnish your delicious bread halwa with some fried cashews or almonds and serve it warm or chilled. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.